Why?
He has a YouTube channel. He's trying to record.
I'm just videoing it being delivered.
Why?
Because this is my YouTube channel. I just videoing it, something to video for my YouTube. That way. Smoking Metal Car Fun. Like, comment, subscribe. But what's up, y'all? It's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun. Back with another video. This video is definitely epic right now. You guys excuse me. Man delivering my hood for the Magnum. Don't really know what it is. I'm gonna help out. I say I'm gonna help out.
Probably let it just kind of come down. Yeah. Jump down. It's got moist on the bottom of it for some reason. I think they put handles in it. Back down. I gotta get a quick signature from somebody.
But yeah, man, I'm excited about this package. I love all the packages that came, but we hoping this gonna be the one. Transformation of the Magnum.
I'm gonna come over here.
Pop this open real quick. I got it. I'm finger up. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a little taste, but we ain't gonna pull it out too far. Just a little taste. But I gotta go and inspect it, so before I can let y'all see that, we're gonna come back to y'all. Yeah, your boy pretty excited. It's definitely a game changer for the Magnum. Something totally different I have not seen yet. So, to be honest with you, everybody's switching the game up with a little something different. This is definitely something different for the Magnum. So, y'all can think about what it is that was in that big box and what type of special hood and what it could be. Man, I say comment down below because it's getting ready to go down. Watch it. You're getting ready to let my dogs out. So, I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm trying to keep the Magnums alive, you know, instead of them dying out. You know, the original body. So this is what my idea I came up with, being as though you can get them. I think I might be the first one to put it on the 05 Dodge Magnum. Just the hood, you know. But go ahead and check it out. Yes, sir. So this is the start of the official really build for the Magnum. Yeah, excuse me. But yeah, this is the start of the Magnum's build to transform from just the regular looking Magnum, besides switching out the front. So y'all tell me what y'all think about the idea, and I'm quite sure it's gonna be a lot of people like, man, you got a Hellcat hood. Well, there's a lot of people that got cow induction hoods on their cars that shouldn't. So I feel as though I don't see no reason why my car can't have it. One day I'm working my way to that. We ain't gonna talk about it later. I got some more stuff in store with that too. So we gonna ride them wheels till they fall off and then switch it out, as you already know. So don't get it twisted. Something nice coming for underneath the hood, besides on top of the hood. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, smash that notification bell so y'all can get all upcoming videos that I put out and content. Now, make sure y'all hit that like button, please. That helps my channel as well. You watch the video, smash the thumbs up. It don't hurt nothing, it don't cost nothing. All it does is help my channel. So y'all rock with me, rock with the thumbs up and the subscribe and the notification bell, so that way you'll be able to get all upcoming content. So I'm gonna get done. I'm gonna wrap this up with all this talking. But as y'all can see, the Smoking Metal Car Fun on there, the black and white game. Yes, sir. I think I'm good. You know?